Welcome to Magical Moments with Artemis. You are invited to take your right hand and place it over your heart. And no, we're not going to say the Pledge of Allegiance if you're in the United States of America. What we are going to do, ripples, what we are going to do is make clockwise circles over the left side of your chest. Clockwise circles over the left side of your chest. Repeating the following. I deeply, completely, and profoundly accept myself with all my faults, my problems, and my limitations. I deeply, completely, and profoundly accept myself with all my faults, my problems, and my limitations. One more time. I deeply, completely, and profoundly accept myself with all my faults, my problems, and my limitations. Just take a moment and be with this. And again, making clockwise circles on the left side of your chest. I deeply, completely, and profoundly accept myself with all my gifts, strengths, and ability to love. I deeply, completely, and profoundly accept myself with all of my gifts, strengths, and ability to love. Once more, I deeply, completely, and profoundly accept myself with all of my gifts, strengths, and ability to love. So take a moment and be with that. So now, that's one way of being with that. How about dropping in to the quantum field of all possibilities, the 0 point, whatever label you have for it, doesn't matter. That you are allowing yourself permission to be in a state where all things are possible and you have access to it is. That's what matters. So, joyfully, willingly, access the state of the quantum field of all possibilities. And now, access the place where I deeply, completely, profoundly accept myself with all of my gifts, strengths, and talents. And notice what that feels like. So again, staying in this quantum field. And allow this to be a very real thing for you. Feel what does the quantum field feel like for you? And get congruent with that. So you have a basis for comparison, so you have a benchmark, so you are able to calibrate when you are in the quantum field of all possibilities versus when your mind's telling you you are, but you're really not. So drop in, allow this to be a somatic experience, embody this. This is for you, this just contributes to your greater wisdom, your greater self-knowledge, your ability to serve yourself. So from all possibilities, from the 0 point field, from quantum states, I deeply, completely, and profoundly accept myself with all my faults, my problems, and my limitations. So in my reality, my field of acceptance just mushroomed enormously. So there's greater room for acceptance. I like that. What shifted for you? What are you noticing? Okay, one more time. From this state, staying in the quantum field. For me, it's feeling like right here. I deeply, completely, and profoundly accept myself with all my gifts, strengths, and ability to love. Drop in and go deep. I am deeply, completely, profoundly joyful to do this exercise with you. Thank you for watching.